Hi guys, today we have come to this DD hill which is about 75 kilometers from Bangalore, and today we'll be reviewing this Xpulse 200 up.
We'll be tackling some hardcore terrains and we'll be giving you a full review of the Hero Xpulse 200.
Hero Xpulse is powered with the 200cc single cylinder motor producing 18.4 PS and 17.1 Nm of torque. Exhaust pipe comes all the way up at the rear similar to any other adventure bike and adds up to the adventure stance of the bike. Neither you nor the pillion will be bothered by the heat of the same. The beak at the front looks stunning and is adequate for handling muds. This also grabs lots of attention in the city. Well, this bike is meant for tackling terrains like this, but first let's see how it performs in the city, because that's where most of its rubber will burn. Many of us are irritated by unpredictable potholes and speed breakers. Xpulse is the ointment. Long suspension travel and 21-inch front wheel eats them all and is a piece of cake for it. Initially you will feel the handle to be broader for a city commute, especially in bumper to bumper traffic, but once you get hang of it, it's all easy and fun. The engine also doesn't heat up much in the traffic. Being a Hero bike, you don't have to worry about mileage. We managed to get 35 to 40 kmpl easily. Now comes the part which explains why the Xpulse came into existence. The more fun off-road terrain. Xpulse's slim stance, long travel suspension, 154 kg of curb weight and ground clearance of 220 mm gives rider the confidence, and everything is so much fun in those dimensions. Combination of 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels makes handling effortless in this terrain. Bike comes with single channel ABS in the front. Both the front and rear have disc brakes, and the braking is so much effective both on and off road. The 13 liters of fuel tank will give fewer fuel stops over long rides, but the seat will make you stop more frequently. Well, when it comes to long rides, seat is not comfortable. The pillion won't be comfortable at all. But the bike will always have the power to pull you both. It can easily cruise between 85 to 90 km per hour, and clocking the top speed of 120 requires effort and patience. Whatever we had thrown to this bike, it managed to catch with minimal effort, offering us the unparalleled thrill. The bike is so much fun, and the moment you realize you have conquered all those, you will be surprised. So the question is, where does the Xpulse stand? Well, to be true, it has no competition. It's the best adventure bike which you can get under the price tag of 1.5 lakhs. So the real question is, who will buy this? Well, this will find a place in garages of those who are willing to experiment, who finds the usual commuter bikes boring, who wants to have the off-road fun. And be assured, you won't be disappointed. After all, it belongs to the Hero family. So should you buy this? Hell yeah!